You name it, you aim it. Grime is gone. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning tasks with next-generation grime-fighting technology. The SPX2598-ELT 13-amp electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. When grime gets the upper hand, fight back against your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning tasks with elite cleaning power. Combining the power of gas with the performance of electric, Elite's made for those who expect the most out of their machines. It's packed with the most requested features for your most challenging chores, like a rugged 20-foot steel-reinforced high-pressure hose, a 35-foot power cord with built-in GFCI, heavy-duty turbo nozzle, 1-liter onboard foam cannon, and exclusive total stop system technology to save both pump and power when the trigger's not engaged. SPX2598-ELT's eco-friendly 13-amp electric motor packs a powerful punch, up to 20-50 pounds per square inch, to break down and strip away dirt and grime, and pumps up to 1.65 gallons per minute max flow rate to rinse away tough oil stains, mildew, caked on mud, rust, and other stubborn dirt and deposits. And with 3 onboard quick connect nozzles, you can quickly customize the spray to suit the chore. Choose from 0 degrees, 15 degrees, and 40 degrees. Swap nozzles in seconds and switch from punishing pinpoint jet to powerful fan spray. From start to finish, you can count on SPX2598-ELT for the continuous reliable power and performance you've come to expect from America's leading brand of eco-friendly pressure washers. And every Elite model is backed by Sunjoe's complete 2-year warranty. So when there's dirty work to be done, remember, you can't beat Elite. SPX2598-ELT 13-amp electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.